Institute of Silly Walks. Shouldn't say that, it's pretty bad. Sorry, dude. Hey guys, welcome back to Audi 555. Just doing another video blog here on my bike. I'm rocking a Hyosung GV650 Aquila. Pretty good bike. Heaps of up and go. Yeah, it does the job. Sounds awesome. About, I think 200 kilos. Not too bad. No complaining. So it's 20 past 8 on a Wednesday night along Mitchell Street in Darwin. Check out that bike. Old school BMW. Pretty sweet Skyline in front of us. There's number plate Zilla. Nice Ninja. Yeah, I got turbo. Oh man, it stinks, that exhaust. Oh jeez. I'm a bit rich. DTI Skyline, Nissan Skyline. Oh man, all I can smell is that Skyline's exhaust. Oh, taxi, watch out. Oh, bike riding. Oh, need to do a lap. Yeah, that must be going in the city. There's nowhere for me to do a U-turn. Man, I might catch them the other way. Now, I don't usually do this. Just trying to catch up with those other bikes, just to get some sick video footage, to be honest. But who knows where they are. There they are. Oh, light change. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, dude. We're gonna lose them. Man. It's a beautiful night tonight, just to be riding around. To be honest, I didn't catch up with those other motorcycle guys. Would have been some good video footage for you. If you're watching this video and you're one of those guys on the motorbike and you saw me, give this video a thumbs up, it's pretty funny. And let me know in the comments